Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, December 29th. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. 250th trading day of the year, final day of the year. Markets have had a very, very good year. We'll see if they get any continuation today. There's still some major targets to reach considering our all-time highs in the ES, NQ, and triple Qs in the overnights. More intriguing is look at the last three highs in ES. They're all poor. The all-time overnight high, yesterday's regular trading hour high, and last night's overnight high. Again, that doesn't mean we have to get them today. However, they're going to be targets at some point. Obviously, bulls would like to defend yesterday's low in ES and NQ. Remember, righty came into balance yesterday when they took out the previous day's low. ES and NQ, ES and and NQ are still up. Remember this level here where the market attempted to have change take place on Wednesday. So even though we dipped below it yesterday, really no acceptance back into that range. We didn't even get our 11-wide POC. So that's kind of my, just like it was my line in the sand yesterday and bulls held it, it's still my line in the sand today. So if we take out yesterday's low and get acceptance below there, well, then again, you'll get the 11-wide POC, and that day's range wasn't too big, and we'll see how big a balance we come into. Right? The bears have an opportunity to do some damage early. They can start with lower value. They could put the daily back into balance. They could take out the overnight low. Seems pretty simple enough, but the bears have had a lot of trouble doing anything this year. Same with NQ, right? Even though they took back the trend day from Tuesday, never got acceptance into it on Wednesday, and Thursday never even got back near it. So again, if they take out yesterday's low, they'll come into balance, and then we'll see what happens back at that level, which is basically H's high from that day around the 65.50 level. So those are two levels, one on each indice or futures. That is my line in the sand as far as will the bulls be able to make new all-time highs in the regular trading hours today. Now, trading below those levels is not the end of the world. Acceptance to me would be one-time framing down. Acceptance would be possible trend down. Acceptance would be getting the overnight low, the IB low, and having lower value. Those things would tell me that then the odds of getting new all-time highs are a lot less today. So that's pretty much your line in the sand. First and foremost is yesterday's low to defend the one-time framing, and then that level right there. Please keep that in mind. And then chart-wise, again, nothing changes to the daily does. We're one-time framing up for 9 weeks. The daily is up. So if we take out yesterday's low, we start forming a balance, depending on how much we come in today, would be how many days encompass that balance. Still not sure if I'm going to recap tonight, or I think I might do it tomorrow morning. Give us a little more time. I could check over the charts. Like to give a pretty good breakdown of these charts for what they did for the year and what we could possibly look for going into early next year. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. And we'll recap the day, the week, and the year, most likely tomorrow morning.